Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, from the question given that at the northwest corner of the park, the city is going to install a fountain. The area of the base of the fountain is given as area of base of fountain is given as 9x squared minus 25 meter square. So here we need to find the length of the sides of the fountain by factoring out. So first, in general, we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times of a minus b. So here a squared is equal to 9x squared. So a is equal to 3x. B squared is equal to 25. So this implies b is equal to 5. So on substituting, the factors are 9x squared minus 25 is equal to 3x plus 5 times of 3x minus 5. Therefore, the length of the sides of the fountain, the length of the sides of the fountain is 3x plus 5 and 3x minus 5. Both are in meter. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.